तुमसे ना हो पाएगा। हमें तुम्हारे लक्षण बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं लग रहे, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा।
I know, it's been a long time. But guys, I was working on a good script for you.
मतलब कुछ भी।
Hello again, guys. Welcome you all on the show Motivation with Jesh. I'm your friend Jesh Motwani. So, guys, today we will talk about the topic you all know, obstacles. So, अबे पता है हमको यार, तू फुद्देश है, फालतू इंसान। तेरे वजह से एक डिसलाइक भी आ चुका है मेरे को पहले। इसको बोलते हैं ऑब्स्टेकल। ये हमारी ज़िंदगी का सबसे बड़ा ऑब्स्टेकल है। अबे डीके बॉस, तू भी विवेकानंद कॉलेज का लेक्चरर या ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट ऑफिसर था क्या?
ये गाली देनी है तो दे, लेकिन वो ट ट ट ट
ए टट्टी इंसान, चुप, क्वाइट। वेल, लेक्चरर और टीपीओ की बात क्यों निकली इस पर हम बाद में धीरे धीरे चर्चा करेंगे, बट फिलहाल लेट्स गेट इनटू टुडेज टॉपिक, दैट इज ऑब्स्टेक्युलर लाइफ। सो गाइस, जैसा कि मैंने कहा, वी ऑल एक्सपीरियंस सम ऑब्स्टेकल्स, इतना कि वी आर हैविंग एन ऑब्स्टेक्युलर लाइफ इंस्टेड ऑफ अ स्पेक्टेक्युलर लाइफ. Well, you don't need me to tell you that obstacles are like those speed breakers you get while driving. You also don't need me to tell you that you have to slow down, calm down, and then overcome those speed breakers. Well, you don't need me.
ओए, you don't need me बोल के खुद ही बता दे रहा है।
तू है ना बिस्किट खा और चुप रहे. So guys, I was saying that you know very well that you have to overcome these obstacles, but many of us don't know how to do so because maybe nobody taught you. Maybe you are taught just to avoid them, to run away from them. You are taught by these people जिनको लगता है कि उनको पता है कि ये दुनिया कैसे चलती है. They ask you to just give up, and in that way they are your biggest obstacles. इनसे पीछा छुड़ाओ पहले. Well, let me invite you to understand that you cannot overcome these obstacles unless you start knowing them. Know your obstacles. You cannot overcome something you don't know. But on the other hand, let me tell you that you also need these obstacles to become successful. Obstacles are nothing more than tests designed to measure how seriously you want the rewards that your ambitions seek. Well, I have some of the obstacles. I am trying to understand them one by one so that I could think and figure out how to overcome them. Well, this is the part of the lifetime challenge I spoke in my first video.
You speak in every video.
ये तो टांग मरा ना. So guys, speaking of obstacles, let me take this moment to tell you that I am coming up with a series, Overcoming Obstacles, in which we will discuss about these obstacles for you to understand and overcome. So join me for the transformation in your life from obstacular to spectacular. See you there guys, and that's all for today. Keep smiling, don't be like Fuddesh, and have a happy life.